Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com, making this a small video at the end of the week, weekly recap, Friday 8 p.m. here in Miami. So let's get started. Most of these trades you already saw on my midweek recap, so I'm going to go a little bit faster here. The week started on the March 5th, and here is the first trade, Euro Yen. And you will see all yen pairs long, because at the end I'll show you why. All yen were supposed to go long. Okay. Finally today I just did one trade short, but most of them you will see long. 80 pips so far, right from this level, and it's gone. Very nice entry by the book. This is USD yen, like I said, just long, March 5th, right? And here Aussie yen. Very nice bounce from 81.46 was 57 number 81.58 maybe that's another broker, a little bit of different in numbers. Anyway, Aussie yen again, it's long, right? And then you see pound yen 145 pip bouncing right at the level 45.35. First, came down here. There was another level here. I forgot to wrote down here. It was like 44.76. Okay, so 44.76 bounce, then came back again, and then 45.35. Kind of came down a little bit, and then from here on, it's gone with the wind. 145 pip trade straight up to 46.95 area. Okay, and then you see this pound newsy came down. Very nicely. It was coming down from some. Again, I don't trade this pair too much, so levels are not there yet. I'm just gonna find those levels and put them on here. But this was a short, and here on the 6th, again, pound USD, because of the pound weakness, pound yen, pound Newsy went down, and this pound USD, after going down, you can see here, bouncing from this area, and this is a 40-minute chart, by the way. So it looks a small move here, but since it's a 40-minute chart, like a 4-hour chart compared to 1 hour, right? So very nice bounce, and this only from here to here is 85 pip at the time. I just closed it here. Okay, so that was on the 6th, and this is also on the 6th. You'll see this 20-minute beautiful entry after bounce, making a big move, retrace into the wave exactly on these levels here, very nice levels, and from there bounce again for 100 pip. 24.01 is a big number, big level. Later, I took a short just below this. I'll show you on the 6th. Okay. And here you can see a USD CAD. It is, the numbers are small here because I took it on the other computer after my my network got shot. So yeah, this is exactly from this level, and this, matching this high double top kind of, and dropping from there for 85 pips, and it is from 20-minute chart. And then on the 8th, you can see here Euro USD. And it is off of 24.01 number, right? First, my last one that I showed you 2 days ago, we were going and hitting the 24.01. So we came here, we started messing around here, and then I even tweeted this one. Let me show you real quick if I can find it. Yeah, see here? EU fighting hard to go above 24.01. If failed, will drop, and then it dropped. And I took this entry here. So this is the entry right here. You were seeing here. See that? So this is the one going all the way down on the 8th. And after that, you had another one, small one on 8 pound yen, dropping after going up, and then now dropping a little bit. And on the 8th, do I have another one? No. Okay, so now on the 9th, the 8th story is finished, and there was a little bit of retracement on yen pairs, and then start again running towards the upside. Look, Aussie yen again going there to the upside, very nice level, and Aussie yen is just, is moving by the book, by the, like level. Just let me just cut this thing up here. All right, so so this is it's just level by level for 8205 gave a nice beautiful entry. Then a couple of entries here on 8252. Before that was on 81 something, but back there, very very nice entries. I think I can show you. This was no. This is this. Okay, so this is on the 9th. This is Aussie yen, and another one is CAD yen, 120 pip. Look how beautiful it is. I forgot to write down the levels here on this chart. I'll do it. It's a lot of work, man. A lot of work. So on the 9th, this one also, and there was another one. Maybe next. Yes, New Zealand again, right off the one of the big levels, 76.81. Tried several times, couldn't go down, and then obviously the yen was getting weaker basically, so sending all the yen pairs to the upside. Okay, and let me see what else, and Euro Aussie. Look, this is the big one. This is also always pound Aussie, Euro Aussie. These you will see big trades. They move really really big. Okay, pound Aussie, I'm kind of getting into it, and also pound yen, right? But pound Aussie and pound Euro Aussie, when they move, man, they move really big. Okay, so there is a reason for this one. I'll just show you after a few charts. For short, I was expecting the short, and right at the level 59.20, and boom, all the way down 190 pips. So far I closed it today, and hopefully, yeah, pound Aussie again from here. It wobbled here a little bit because of the yen, pound strength, but then again gave up today as well, again because of the Aussie. Actually, let me show it to you why I had Aussie yen going to the upside, and then pound Euro Aussie and pound Aussie to the downside. I think this is the last trade. Yes, see now this Aussie, in pound Aussie, the Aussie is on the right hand side. Euro Aussie, Aussie on the right hand side. When Aussie gets strong, this is what happens. Okay, and wherever the Aussie on the left hand side, for example, the pair in Aussie yen, they will go up. That pair or any other pair, Aussie CAD and Aussie, this and Aussie that. So, but here these two pairs, Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, Aussie was on the right hand side, so they dropped big time. Why they did it? Let me show you. This is the one I made the chart on 3rd, and I showed it to my subscriber, explained it in my webinar. This is what, one of my indicator. It's a divergence. It shows divergence, Sam's divergence. Look how beautiful it is that, after the down move, is that, price is making lower low at the level, right? And then indicators going up, making higher high, lower high, higher low, sorry. Okay, so, and then what happened after that? Gone. Similar, exactly the same thing, same pattern here, right? And then look at the indicator, the shape of the indicator, right? Completely opposite. And then we made a long, we went up, right? And then here, it's just doing the opposite of it. Price is like struggling to go higher and making higher high, but kind of dragging, but the indicator started to come down here. And then we made a down move. So we were here when I made this chart on the 3rd, and I said, look, this is the same thing as this one and this one. And this thing is going to go up from here because this is also, strong support. And with the beautiful divergence, it has to go to the upside. And when this thing is going to the upside, the Aussie dollar is going to get strong, and it will send pound Aussie and Euro Aussie down. That's what happened. These two trades you see. And Aussie yen, you saw a couple of big longs, right? Because of this Aussie index. Look what happened to this chart. So far, I caught, this is a daily chart, by the way. So exactly where we were, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the whole week, except this one. This is the day, I think it's a Wednesday. We came down, but then went up again, right? And today, after that, it's like all up strong, and that's why pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, and then they came down, and Aussie yen went up. And I think that's the only pair that involve Aussie I trade. So once in a while I do Aussie USD, but very, very, I don't like it because it doesn't move. The daily range is always very, very small. It's not my my type of pair. Another thing that I want to show here is like yen index, and yeah, Aussie yen going up, and then CAD yen, New Zealand yen, pound yen, when all they were going up because of the yen index chart. I made it on the 2nd March that after big drop, and then I predicted this drop too. And then, it was a nice setup here, and it's gonna probably go into this area somewhere. And nicely, we bounced exactly from here, and we are right around this here. These lows here, we are hitting that. Look, see, we are right around this area here. So even if this is a small, but it's a 40-minute chart. So what it does, you just saw it. All the yen pairs went up. Okay, so this is very important to watch the indexes. And today, finally, the last one, this one, the pound yen, after reaching and hitting the final target for the week, when I, before the week starting, I said that, we're going to bounce, and most likely we're going to go to 48.19 and 48.41 was the top hit. And after hitting this here, I said now, and by the way, this one also, let me show you here. You can see right here, I tweeted that GJ, I will look for short from 7-minute chart if drop from 48.41. That's 10 hours ago today. Okay, and exactly, so 48.41, I made an entry. You can see my entry, my SL, and this was the entry from 7-minute chart. This, I wrote it wrong here. 20 minutes, see here, it's M7, pound yen, M7. Okay, so it's a 7-minute chart, and this is how I made the entry, and it's all the way nicely 60-70 pip. I don't know how much, 48 or 40. My entry is like 35, 48, 35, and it's right here. See, it's 85. So 35, 40, 50, and it went down. It poked into 47, 76, and went down a little bit before I closed it. The target was 47, 76, and I closed it, and hopefully, but it will probably go. And this is what happened to this chart. Nice butterfly pattern here, 127 reversal, and it may continue. You never know. But, we will see how it goes. So this is, the end of the week, almost like 14, 15 beautiful trades, starting from here from the 5th. And today was a very, very good day. Very good day. Good, big trades like this one. Basically, this one was, the entry was on 8th, if you notice that. This is the day today started. Okay. And it was a nice entry here too. But, I made an entry on the 8th. But didn't close the trade, let it run, because I knew that what Aussie is going to do, and I was expecting my weekly chart. I made the chart and gave it to my subscriber that the euro is going to get weaker, and it did. So euro getting weaker, Aussie getting strong. This is the result of it. Okay, so this is how it is, and so this is it for now. And if you like what you see, you can go on my website, subscribe, and today is Friday, get the system, get everything, and, set up your charts. There is a little bit of work to do, but you have a weekend, you can get ready and, start trading from Monday. Okay, Sunday I will do a webinar, live webinar I do Sunday and Wednesday, and tell everyone what to do, what to expect. Charts, setups, everything. So Sunday I'll do the webinar. So if you get in now, you can attend the webinar and get ready for Monday. Okay. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.